This was Ellie playing with the neighbors.
Good girl, good girl. I know you figured out it can squeak. It's Holly's turn.
And then Holly brings the ball actually to Ellie.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Let go. Drop. Okay, give it to me.
Hoosier!
Squeaks is fun,
Hoosier,
huh?
quit eating! Hoosier! Quit eating grass!
Good job, eh? Good girl.
And Ellie and Holly, I'll get that tape later, play together through the fence all the time, running back and forth. Ellie, you have to go bring it back. There you go.